would say that the report was almost pretty much accurate, and it reflected like my personality correctly.
Yeah, so the outcome that was shared as part of that psychometric assessment was pretty much in line with what we had in mind about Davis. Only thing is that it just firmed up our opinion based on the scientific way of doing things.
I found the assessment to be correct and true according to my personality and abilities.
When we had this assessment done, after that the results that has come with a very clear distinction about her ability in various fields, how it could be ability in terms of coping up with it, right, keeping that interest on. So that was very clearly stated.
One thing was he was able to open up freely with him. He did not had any hesitations. He was able to make it as an honest discussion.
She was very nice. Actually, I felt instantly comfortable talking to her and conversing with her.
The interaction was very good. It was very informative for me.
It was much more clear after the session, and I got clarity about the courses and colleges we can get into.
That session was very fruitful. She got some clarity.
I would say this is the best gift that I've received. As a parent, it helped me to come out of that the dilemma or the guilt one can have in suggesting something to a child, a career choice, right? So that way it is very helpful, and I felt this is the way everybody should take the choice for career.
So I would appreciate the organization in coming up with this initiative.
The good thing is the Accenture is initiative this kind of activity with all the Accenture employees.
Yes, I think it was very helpful to understand and grow more about and understand more about ourselves and our future as well.
So I kind of like it from this point that Accenture did something which is not a usual one. So I appreciate the fact that Accenture took care of their employees. So this is also a way of, let's say, engaging the employees here. So it's a good initiative. Yeah.